how to use your nebulizer. So first off, you have these different parts right here. Very convenient, but also very fragile, so just be very careful when you're using it. So you have your reservoir right here. You can click it open like this. Then you can also clean it from that area, which I'll show you later down. And then this right here is where you place your solution. So you grab your solution and you unclick it from the top like that. And make sure not to splash on that metal portion, because if you do, it's almost like a filter that can get destroyed real easily. So just be careful. I'm going to go ahead and snap it back down. And then you press on. That green button tells you that there's enough battery. When there's not enough battery, it's going to go ahead and turn orange then red on the left circle. And then there's your nebulizer treatment. You can use it like this, or you can use it with this little device, which is the funnel. And that just has a more targeted area for your aerosol solution. So as you see right here, it's quite easy to place on. Just put it on. You're going to inhale with your nose and exhale through your mouth. Right, and now to the cleaning portion of this. And again, be very gentle. I'm going to use warm water with a paper towel. You don't want to use a regular towel because the lint can end up getting trapped in the areas of the nebulizer, and that can damage it. And you place it on a clean, dry paper towel. You essentially just let it air dry. And this, remember the compartment, you're going to go ahead and pour out your solution if you have any leftovers, and then gently rinse it like this. And then click open the top, again being very gentle because that could break off easily. And you want to avoid that metal portion again right there, because it could get damaged easily. And you get a paper towel again, and you're going to just pat dry it all the way through. That metal portion should have already had a little bit of water on it, but you don't want to scrub any part of this nebulizer because it could end up scratching that metal piece. So you just lightly press on it like that, and you essentially just let it air dry as well. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Goodbye.